Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So today I will be showing you guys how to actually flat twist your hair. So right now I am starting off by parting my hair. So I'm doing straight back flat twist that I will wear in as a protective style. So I am using my wide tooth comb first to part my hair going straight back. And then I take a smaller rat tail comb to clean up that part. And you want to apply tension to the scalp when you are parting so that it come out straight. And keep the comb in a straight motion, or keep it really steady while you are doing that part. That is how your parts come out straight. And right here I'm taking a little small mirror just to make sure that I am okay with the current part, and it seems like it came out great. So the key to making sure that my twists come out nice and vibrant and juicy, and to make sure that my hair is super hydrated, I am taking the Miche Hydrating and Twisting Butter. So this is a water-based butter, meaning that water is the first ingredient. It is handmade and all natural. So if you are looking for one, definitely check it out in the description below. So I am taking a generous amount of that moisturizer, as you can see. So you want to heavily moisturize your hair. This is going to allow your twists to look actually moisturized, so they don't look dried out. The more moisturized your twists are, the better they look and the longer they last. So I'm just applying that to the length of my hair and around that part. And right here I'm sectioning off a piece in the front. So a flat twist is basically a two-strand twist, but instead you are picking up hair behind that twist. So you just go in a regular motion as if you're doing a two-strand twist, and then you pick up a little bit of hair in the back, and make sure you are applying tension. This is going to allow your twist to come out nice and neat. So as you can see, I am just twisting, and I just pick up a little bit of hair in the back. And to pick up hair, what you do is push your finger between that hair a little bit below that twist. And because of the way I twist, I do realize that my hands cover up the majority of my twist. So I hope that you guys can see what I am doing and find value in this video. So I'm going to show a few more twists, so don't worry, so that you can get a better view of how to actually flat twist. So I am completing my flat twist by continuing to pick up hair behind that two-strand twist straight to the end. Okay, so the way you flat twist is going to be really unique to what feels comfortable to you. So for me, the way I position my arms and my hands is really unique to my personal way of doing it. So don't feel like you have to be pressured to do it exactly the way I do it. Some people flat twist in a completely different style, but this is what works for me. This is what feels comfortable when it comes to my fingers and the way I position my arms. And I am just continuing my third flat twist right here. You just continue to pick up hair behind that hair when you do that two strand. And if your hair becomes a bit tangled while you are twisting, you just detangle it. So I like to line up my parts evenly by measuring where it falls on my face, just to get an even part and make sure that it is symmetrical. And now I will be showing you a different view of doing the flat twist. So this is actually going to be underhand instead of overhand. Because this is the left side of my face, my arms will be under that flat twist. So right here is a different technique. As you can see, my arms are on both sides of my head. I just section off a little piece in the front to do a 2-strand twist. So I'm starting, as you can see, there are 2 strands. And then I continue to 2-strand twist, but I pick up a little bit of hair in the back. So the less hair you pick up, the tighter and neater your flat twist will come out. If you pick up a lot of hair, then it'll come out really loose and chunky. If you are going for that look, it's okay, but I am going for a much more tighter, neat look when it comes to my flat twist today. Push the finger through, bring it over. You have 2 strands. Push it through again. So I'm pushing my finger through to pick up that hair seamlessly. And I'm just pushing through a little bit under that twist. The further down you go under that twist, the bigger and looser your twist will come out. So as I said, I'm going for a tighter look. So I'm just going barely under that twist, pushing that index finger barely under it. You push the index finger through, twist, push it through, twist that top section over it, push it through, twist that top section over, and there you have it. You have a flat twist. And I just continue to twist straight to the bottom, and then I twirl those ends just to lock it into that twist so that it do not unravel. Okay, so after I was finished the night before, I just tied my hair down with a satin scarf. So I always use a satin scarf when I have flat twists. So this allows the twist to lay neat while you sleep so that it do not become raveled up and become really messy. So make sure you use a scarf instead of a bonnet. So this is the end result. As you can see, my twists look really juicy, hydrated, because I used a heavy base moisturizer. And for extra protection on my ends, since I am wearing these twists in for at least a week, I just twist the ends up and then pin it with a bobby pin. And this is the end result of my tutorial. I hope that I explained it as best as I can. I tried my best to simplify it as much as possible. It does take practice, so keep on practicing and find your groove, find your technique. There's going to be certain hand movements that feel much more comfortable to you, and it's okay to do that instead of doing it the way I did it. So yeah, make sure you guys give this video a rating, leave me some comments down below, and subscribe for weekly videos. Bye bye.